Alright, this video is how to search for UL rated penetrations. So go to ul.com, scroll down to the bottom, online certifications directory, fire resistance rated systems and products, and through penetration fire stop systems. Now we can look at the numbering system for these. Alright. So this should be a little bit bigger, I think, because it took me a while to find this at first, a long time ago. But first alpha component is either an F for a floor, W for a wall, or C could be a floor or a wall. Doesn't matter. Right? So that's the first alpha component. So there's three for this one. It's a little bit more complicated. Now then, what is the wall or floor made out of? Right? It's the next. Then for the third, the numeric one, what is the actual pipe made of? Is it a non-metallic pipe, metallic pipe, a cable, pipe with insulation on it? What is it? Alright. So we're going to look for a PVC pipe going through an 8-inch wall. Right? So concrete or masonry walls with a minimum thickness less than or equal to 8 inches. So we're a J. We're going through a wall, so we're a W, a J, and we're a non-metallic pipe. W, J, and a 2. Alright, so W-J2 asterisk. We're going to search. That's a lot of results. Let's get rid of Canada. Now this one's a little bit different. XHEZ is what we want. And we know that we are a 2-hour wall. Alright, I took it down quite a bit. Now let's say we're going to have a 2-inch pipe. We know that. Alright, still got a lot. Now let's say we like to use Hilti products. That takes it way down. We only have 2 pages now. We can start looking through these. Some of them will have a sleeve, some of them won't have a sleeve. Now if you try to type in no sleeve, that does not work. I've tried. But you may find some other factor as far as the size of the opening, the annular size, that could distinguish it. Steel sleeve. Page 2. In general, I find some of the first ones meet the needs for the most part. The older the UL assembly or joint or penetration is, the lower the number is. The newer something is, the higher number is going to be. So now, let's go back and let's search for something else. Alright, we have, let's say, a group of cables or a cable tray going through a gypboard wall. Now this one can be kind of difficult. But, so we have a wall, it's a W, and our wall is made out of what? A framed wall? Sounds good to me. WL, and so we are a grouping of penetrations. Or are we a cable tray? we said cable tray, so let's go with cable tray. WL4. Alright, let's get rid of Canada. And our wall is 1 hour. Narrowed down the results. Let's look for Hilti again. 1 page. So that was pretty fast to narrow things down. Alright. Now we can take a look at this and figure out which one we like, which one we don't like. Maybe we don't like any of the Hilti, but for instance, this one uses a fire block. Fire blocks is for another GreyU, but they're pretty cool. A little bit expensive, but pretty cool. Alright, so that's how you search for UL rated fire penetrance.